Techno-Feudalism is a term used to describe the modern economic system where big technology companies have the power similar to feudal lords in the past. Instead of land, these companies control digital platforms, data, and online markets. Does this sound familiar? Let's look at Amazon, Meta, that's Facebook, Instagram, even TikTok. I think a lot of people don't want to accept that the United States economy has completely shifted and it has changed. The change was so subtle that you might have missed it. A lot of people definitely missed it. That's how subtle the shift was. A lot of people are still operating on the rules of capitalism because that's what the US economy has been for many, many years. For at least 80 years, since probably like the 40s there, right after World War II. Now we're going through World War III. Can you imagine? If you had told somebody 5 years ago that, maybe not 5 years ago, 10 years ago, that it'll be going through World War III in 2026, they wouldn't have believed you. But we are in World War III right now. This is why the United States economy has already shifted from capitalism to techno-feudalism. When the President of the United States went to China recently, besides the disrespect that he got from the Chinese, he went with a bunch of tech overlords, a bunch of tech billionaires. Jeff Bezos, I think Elon was there, Elon Musk was there as well, and that guy who runs NVIDIA, the AI company. That's who was there. These are all tech bros, tech guys. This is a signal of what the United States is prioritizing in 2026 and beyond. With techno-feudalism, it creates a weird system. This weird system that is created is making things more difficult for those that haven't accepted the new shift. Let me find somewhere to sit so I can give you all the game. It's making it very difficult for a lot of you guys that haven't accepted this new reality to even function, because nothing is making sense anymore. You're making all this money, probably 6 figures or whatever, or close to it, but nothing is adding up. Your bills are still stacking up. You can't meet your obligations. A lot of you can't even pay your bills. I'm just seeing videos of people that are just refusing to pay their bills. This is how bad the economy is. On top of people struggling to pay their bills, it creates like a weird system where there are these tech billionaires, these overlords, right at the top. And then right beneath that are people that are utilizing the technology that these tech guys have built. People that know how to use Meta to make money, people that know how to use all these AI tools to make money, those become the middlemen right below these billionaires. You know, there are some smart people, and that could be you, but definitely me, that knows how to utilize these tools to make money. For Amazon, these are guys that are selling products on Amazon FBA. Those guys are making money. And then the third layer beneath that are the peasants, okay? These are medieval peasants. Yes, guys, the United States has shifted so much that the poor are becoming peasants. You don't own anything. If you ever heard the term, you know, you will own nothing and be happy, that's where that comes from. So you're gonna start to see a lot of poverty in the United States. There's a very short window for most of you guys to learn all these tools so you don't become medieval peasants. You don't become wage slaves. But it seems like a lot of people are still stuck. My question to you is, do you understand that the United States economy has changed? Because if you don't, you need to accept this so you don't become a peasant. If you continue to operate as if the United States is still capitalism, you're already lost, okay? So I put a link in the description of this video. Schedule some time. I'm going to coach you on how to transition from capitalism to techno-feudalism so you can make some real money out here, okay? Put a link, schedule some time.